to day 6. I think this is day 6 of my vlog journey to having a 7-figure business. So right now I am out in the middle of the ocean celebrating my son's 13th birthday. He's actually the reason why I even started my natural skincare line, Happily Naturally Me. And it was because when he was a baby he had really bad eczema problem, and I started creating products because nothing that the doctors gave me was working. So of course, me being the mom that I am, I started doing a lot of research, trying some stuff out, and the rest is history. People saw his skin was clearing up, they wanted to know what I was using, and I turned it into a business, and it has blossomed ever since. But we're in the middle of the ocean. I'm cruising to the Bahamas. I'm super excited. Like, I have not gone on a real vacation in quite some time. So it has been really nice, and it was definitely a reminder of why I do what I do, why I decided to quit my 9 to 5, because I really wanted a life of freedom. A life of freedom, doing things that I like to do, which is I love making skincare products. I love being able to provide those products to other families who are, dealing with skin issues and, want a natural solution. I love being a travel agent on the side. That is really just like my side hustle. But even more importantly, I love helping other moms grow their online businesses so they too can, start living the type of lifestyle that they want, which is why I created Moms That Boss. And there's so many different resources at momsthatboss.com that you guys can check out. But I have to start doing this more often. Like right now I'm doing the 12-week year with my accountability group. And one of the things that they mention is taking a vacation every quarter. I'm going to start doing that. Yes, I miss this. I miss going on like full out vacations. So yes, once a quarter, I'm going to start implementing that. So keep watching as I'm growing. Like, I might be on this ship. Oh, they're making announctions, but guess what? I'm still getting on my order.